Hi everybody, my name is Hannah. Welcome to my channel. Uh, in my channel, I talk about in Excel, how to use in Excel, how to do analysis for school or job, and also in Word document. Today, I'm here to show you how you can capture your loan payment. If you have a loan or if you are thinking to take a loan. Uh, and you want to see how much your payment based on your interest, I will show you how we calculate that in Excel. Okay, let's say you have a loan for something, like say XYZ. Okay, this is a loan you are taking, and then the loan amount. The loan amount will be 20K. Okay, and then the term. Usually term is in months, and for now let's put 60. Okay, and then you have interest. Okay, interest rate. Let's leave this blank for now because that's the interest rate we are going to play with. And you have your payment, which is a PMT. Okay, so one of the formula I'm going to show you today is how to do your payment, the PMT. Okay, there is two different ways you can calculate your PMT. The first one is, like I always tell you, a formula start with an equal sign and then PMT, open, uh, open parentheses, then it will give you a rate NPR, which is number of terms, payment terms, and then payment value. That's how you will calculate your PMT. Okay, what does that mean? Interest rate, which is right now, let's say it's zero interest rate. That's because we left it blank. Okay, and interest rate is was 12 months, which is that's 1 year, and the NPR, which is a term for this one, is 60, comma, and then PV, which is your loan payment. Okay, so with no interest for 20K 60 term, uh, you pay 333 plus some change. That's how you do it. The other way calculating the PMT is you go to formulas and find financial right here, and then go to PMT. Okay, and then just do the same thing what we did. The rate will be right here, blank, divided by 12. MPR is 60, and then the PV payment loan will be 20. So if you see right here, the result will give you the same thing. Notice it's a negative here, a minus, which means that's something you're deducting out of your loan. Okay, it's a key point. I'll show you why later on. And then you say done. Now you got the same result. So you could do this formula using equal sign, or go into the formula builder bar, and by putting your cells or numbers in here, and you'll get it that way. Okay, one thing I would like to kind of comment in here, when you say a term, this is 60 terms is in one year is 12 months. So you can well, I can show you one way you could look at it is equal sign 60 divided by 12. That is 5 years. So we're saying within 5 years, by paying 333 and some change, within 5 years we'll pretty much finish it. Okay, that's what it means. Let's say, you know what, I'm not gonna pay $333. I can pay 400. And what will be the interest rate? Because like you see, I don't have any interest rate yet. So to find out, or if a bank or some financial institutes give you, hey, this is your monthly payment, and you can actually find out in what interest rate they're charging you for. So go to data, okay, a what if analysis, go to a goal seek, and this is how you will find out what will be the interest rate. Okay, so the payment, we'll just click on the payment PMT for the sale, set sale, and then to the value we're saying, you remember what I was telling you earlier, you have to always make sure you put that negative, and then we're saying $400, right? So I can afford 400, and then always make sure you put that negative in here. And what will be the interest rate? Click on the interest rate, because that's where we would like to see the percentage. Okay, so you notice we have the percentage here, and then okay, come out. To see it in percent, just go to home and click here percent, and then it will tell you, okay, if you're paying right here, since I put the formula in here, it changed from 333 to 400. So to pay 400, your interest rate is 7. Okay, so from here you can just play around with the numbers and see where it takes you. For example, let's say instead of paying 60 term, I can short this with 30 terms, right? 30 terms is 2 years and a half, with 7%. Now you notice your amount changed to 732. So it pretty much, you're paying more because you want to finish it sooner. Or you can say, I can drag it down to 90, okay, term. That is 7 years and a half. So if you drag it for 7%, your monthly payment would be less. You will pay almost 200, almost 3, but 290. Okay. You can say, okay, what if I play around with a percentage? Instead of paying 7, what if I pay 5? Okay. And then it will change. If you pay 5, it will go down to 66 less, and your percentage still shows to 5%. Let's say the term changes to back to 60 with 5%, 377. So if you get lower percentage with the 60 term, which is 5 years, you get less payment. So the key is getting a less interest. Okay, so instead of 5, let's say I'm putting 2%, or the bank give you 2%, your payment will goes to 350. So if a bank give you a 2% and the other bank give you 7%, the 2% you get 350, the 7% they give you what is that, 400, right? So you can play with this formula and see where you at, and how can you afford a loan with the interest rate. And you can do this for your mortgage or car loan or a personal loan, and any kind of loan you are taking, by plugging this number and by using this formula, especially the what if analysis. You can actually capture your interest rate. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate it for watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.